Good afternoon, viewers. Today again we are at a beautiful property. This is actually an integrated township development. If you are looking at a villa development, then this is the property which you have to come and see. So this is actually a 4-bedroom villa. This is a corner villa which comes with a ample of garden park space. So you get a feel of a farmhouse kind of a feel in here. So this is a 4-bedroom villa in here. Lush landscape, greenery all in place. So this is the parking space where you can park 2 vehicles in here. And now we are entering into the main door in place. So this is the main door of the villa in place. This is the complete landscape, greenery there. And now we are entering into the property. So lavish kind of, as you enter, you got a foyer space for your footwear and all, and then we enter into a cozy living space here. Complete natural lighting aspects and a portico within the villa, so you have that greenery feel within the property here. So this is the first living space here. This is again a second living space which opens to a lavish dining and all. Powder room in place here. A lavish kitchen here where you have multiple space to do your complete area. And again, so it's kind of a large size kitchen space. So that's the space for your servant quarter, and again this leads to your utility towards the external garden space here. This is the dining space which again opens towards the outside lush landscape, greenery in here, entire space. At the lower level you have 1 bedroom, which again the sizes are pretty massive. You have a tucked in wardrobe again here. This is the size of the bedroom at the lower level. The attached washroom. So this is the pot cylinder, and this comes with a bathtub in place. Then we are heading to level 1. So you see the beauty of detailing finishings in here. So we came on level 1 here, and again here you have a kind of sit out or work from home kind of a setup here. Laminated wooden flooring completely done. And the second bedroom here. It's kind of king size living. You've got spacious bedrooms. The bedroom here. You have the walk-in wardrobe. So you have wardrobes here, you got spacious areas for your wardrobes here, and then we enter into the lavish washroom here. So you have if you want to take a shower, you have an option of a shower, or you want to use the bathtub, you have a bathtub in here. This is the actual thing about a king size living in here. So with the pots, natural lighting even in the washrooms. This is the deck on level 1. This is the third bedroom where we are entering in here. Again, the bedroom sizes are lavish, which again comes with a balcony, a deck in here. The view of the neighborhood. The bedroom. You have the walk-in wardrobe spaces here. You enter into the washroom. The lights are actually off. And now we are entering to level 2 here. And right now we are at the level 2. So you have a personal space where you can set up a gym, a private den, anything you want to do here which you love in place. And then the fourth bedroom, and again it's pretty massive in here. So if you're looking for a king size living towards Bangalore North, feel free to contact us. Complete landscape greenery, the washroom spaces. For further details, contact PropTech Realty, one of the major marketing partners for major developers in Bangalore. Thank you.